Hey everybody, welcome back to Krafted TV. Today we're going to go straight into the video because the video is super short. I am installing a Sensationnel Butta lace wig that my cousin gave me to install for her. She basically wants this wig glueless. She doesn't want any glues, any spray. She just wants to be able to take it off at night, go to sleep, and then put it back on in the morning. And that's what we're going to do. This wig is a synthetic unit, and the thing is about me, I don't care what wig you give me. You give me synthetic, you give me virgin hair, human hair, it don't matter. My job is not to judge you. My job is to help you craft your look, period. So right now we're blow drying her hair to make sure it is ready, because she do want me to braid with braiding hair, which is fine. No, it's not. I'm kidding. So right now I'm going through the unit, basically looking at it. It's been a while since I've installed a synthetic wig, like since high school, literally. I'm just going through the packaging, make sure this is a good brand, which it is. I used to use Sensationnel in high school. I freaking love this brand. If you on a budget, go ahead and get you Sensationnel. You will never go wrong. It's like always given, in my opinion. Like, go on YouTube and put Sensationnel wigs. Honey, it's always sensational. Okay, right now I am opening the packaging, basically looking at the picture. This is one moment I like to do. I like to make sure, like, to look at the unit to see what I'm working with. So I'm looking at everything from the lace to the plucking to the HD lace to everything, like the hair, everything. So I'm making sure I got everything in my head and tell me basically how I'm going to slay this unit. So I did add an elastic band. That's the only thing I did. Like, you don't have to pluck anything because it did say pre-pluck, even though it doesn't look pre-pluck. But it does look good enough to add an elastic band and leave it this way. So what I did is just cut the lace close as heck to the hairline and added some foundation so it can look like it's melted to her skin, and it's gonna look good. I just added a wig on her head to see what I'm working with, and woof, I was like, oh, we got a lot to do. We got a lot to do. No, we don't. So right now I'm just braiding her hair. I'm braiding her hair with some braiding hair because she like braids her hair. She's growing her hair out, period. She wants her hair to look healthy and luscious and perfect. So girl, I was like, okay, we can do some braid. We can do some braid, put some braiding hair in her hair. And all we do is put the wig back on, cut the lace close as heck to the hairline. Like literally close as heck to the hairline. Add some Nairobi mousse to the hair, non-alcohol please, so it won't dry. And basically comb it out with a wide tooth comb, and basically you're done. Like literally, she looks stunning. She likes the results. She get to take it out at night, and it's synthetic wig. Can you believe it? It looks really, really good too. And I was like, dang girl, you about to put me on some synthetic wigs for real. Like, this girl look good. Period. Y'all, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like and subscribe and comment for more. I see you guys soon.